How to fix if the messages notifications not working on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then scroll down and look for messages app. Now open the messages app and then tap on force stop option on the top. So tap on this option and from the pop-up again tap on force stop to confirm, and after force stopping the messages app the notification issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue while receiving the notifications of your messages, then open settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration and then tap on do not disturb. Now if you have enabled do not disturb, then it will silence the calls and notifications. So to receive the calls and notifications, tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off the do not disturb, the messages notification issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then here in system and updates tap on reset. Now here tap on reset all settings and then again tap on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting all your mobile settings, the messages notification issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the messages notifications not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.